Out of a power to me. Ye then uncle Ponce send so ya sign a baby share a beam. Say ya baby share beam one and so ya battery abrabomu and como. Ya baby tree abrabomu como senia nientia ya abrabomu Africa asenu and Ghana asenu yen to me enkoyenim. Na tambia ni jina baby a yijina. Nientia yen to me enkoyenim. Na nientia Africa asenu yentimi nkoye nimu no eye enniama bia ye dia hyehye yetrim ana Ghana ase enniama bia ye dia hyehye yetrim enu ti na ama yentimi nkoye nimu ebi ni say ayeso nipa u parent awo no de waba afutu parent ni tu ni say all catch us say me show na dachi onso aba behwe me. It is not bad, but as a parent ni timi chaba fra no say me ba me show na dachi unsuwetini aba show ba me show na dachi unsuwetini aba ba. So the time that parent is investing in your life, at the same time, the parent is also investing in your future, so that one day say wo be older when you be their shano entika bua wo be yin na wo be ware na wo be wono your mother or your father nya onu invest man ho no and o dey hwe ni dachi into betimi enso ahwe ba ba ye Africa say me ye the sabia no ahye mu emu ne problem kase a ye wo e Africa ye the ahye mu say so ma me hwe wa enso so hwe o hwe no. And my brother, I'm telling you, it's good, but it's a big mistake. Every parent yes, that's what they should say. Me share me bano, not that me bounce wait me asho ba. Now we bounce wait me asho ba. Into the time one come on invest no invest so man ho. Into some of two and obawa. When you say these two children by the age of 50 years, na me mano ebi amatete mu am university. Maybe not the remaining years all the no also the investment be at the amount into obey you no investment and na air channel now was waiting at shoba waiting in Africa yen because be a woman it's your responsibility for you to take care of your mother. And at the end of the day, if you can't take care of your mother, it becomes a curse for you. Because the reason why she is taking care of you is for you to take care of her. But if our parents, bet me at Yato, say a female kono, say me shall me bar, Messansu invested your mammy dachi. Into some dachi no, me bano, and sweat me ashanima. Now bounce sweat me ashoba. My brother, life will move forward. But as a life, you can say, me show a mouse washamia. And that is the problem. This same mentality as also young Africa for and you are for your boy. The sons are yet children unipa and now so do no bro bia Africa now getting some me brown not that also what a boy. How can you think like this? How can so many power get to me say that you don't have to think like that. You have to think some wow not dache what brow now so what brow be. Some wholesaler is there for the retailer and the retailer is there for the consumer. It is wrong for the wholesaler to go to the retailer and it is wrong for the retailer to go to the consumer, and that is the problem in Africa. In Africa ni bia browa na dwe woni trim say dache ono so be kire no. That was what Baba Buano. And it is wrong. So you bet me a shame, some may dwell, not a dachi, was what dwell near. May dwell, not dachi, was what me a dwell. It be, I mean, come here, and yes, this was South Africa. I'm telling you. Because when you listen to the leaders of Africa here now, majority in America, so when South Africa, Elko Wenu, ye Jinomochi, and ye Buawam. But for you helping someone doesn't mean say at the end of the day what wedding to as well yet burden. No, I'm not saying say we are being a burden on them, but we shouldn't use that thing as an excuse. One thing we need to know is say the youth don't have work. the youth adwuma and the youth no umuni. That is why we took across near this table. Majority also are saying say at the end of the day we are one people. We all know it. One no say million but I am watching it. It is African you say you bet me aboa we can help each other. You bet me aboa will be a maniko no so will be and help yourself. Don't think that I'm helping this person so later I go and become a dependent. No. Emfa asumdue eni puntu ema entimi dia na mesran say ye boa we ho a wo boa obi a na wo so o boa wo say at the end of the day no emwa na wo boa no it will not turn to become a curse because if you are so boa obi ara na wo san kodan na why you careful it will turn become a curse. Even that is why in the Bible no Jesus said, as I lay down my life for you, so you must also go and lay down your life for your brothers. We shall use lifestyle. Or buenipa, say the pansube buenipa. That is us. Africa, you bet me out like this. And again, you bet me out say, me bueminia, no me answer ko bueminia, no me ko bueminia. Now ya ring our chira. And no can say we have negative talks. Say me hobe chira me. If you what do the Bible say? Or see me nipa ojeno. And one abeye Bible say GBA any sarama. So if you believe yourself, so at the end of the day may bro be na me so me ho akere me no aboa me a up and down you can move forward because also the coffin but see it me say may bro we so aboa we ya na we so akoboa we it me ko ye dependent e we nyama aboa no so a I save the person and I give the person liberty. There is a difference between saving someone and giving someone liberty. It's not the same. But the only problem in Africa, and again I want to say, we know how to save, but we don't know how to give liberty. Other for intermediate and way some jina no me ni din koma ni amesra and some pacho. So wo boa ni a emfa show kumam se me boa no na daach me wo kire me ono so abeboa me. No. Fa show kumam say me boa no na daach no so aboa obi. So I'm investing na what me investing for your own future. Na obrana akonanim. See a person akonanim, that is the only way that we can move forward in life. You help someone and you think about how that person can also help himself and help someone who is ahead of him. Not you that you help the person. If we can think like this, obrana akonanim. Intime ma minimum say mo hwa mo man school. Mama friend shemu team say me hwa me ban school na daach me ban so aba behwe me. Fa shemu team say mienu na metimi awo a me wu mienu na mienu na ama ho wom no ma hwa wom na daach wom so atimi ahwe mo ma na daach wom so atimi ahwe mo ma intime hwa me ban no na me so me invest bi e de ama me daach. So at my old age my investment can take care of me so that my children can take care of their children and they can have a beautiful and happy home. See, a plan say Africa, we will just be because our old mentality and after the second thing, see you the next thing so anyone who say they have fears. They have fears in them because he wished to go to the village no akwakoye investment, but for that person to go to his village to do investment no okohu misia and see no so aka chance that place there are witches and own to me call investment no but baby you drew we ask na so we still think about that, my dear brother. Even when you go to court, and you tell the court to say fie abayifo kwa obi akwa so fie abayifo kwa my dear okoko to kra na enyentum obrane ni awan kase wabo enti obi antimi you use witches as an excuse in court. So why are we still using witches as an excuse, my dear? Enti mesramo baby we are sinadunu any baby yesua de near do we are seno. We should take witches tradition, this out of our life. And let's think about investment. How we can invest. Because we have Africans, we have too much fears. We have too much fears. That way people know what I'm talking about. Sometimes they wish they can go to their village and develop the place. But they have fears. If I go there, they will kill me. They will do this, they will do that. My brother, education transforms tradition. Education is more powerful than tradition. Into women's school now with me kwa yisa adweno efutrim because Africa se eba boa ye yebedi ye. Now who are the cause? The akonfo, any asofo, any edifo. I don't take myself out. Because people I know about the catcher no catcher uko ukluma abaifo uko ukluma. That is not your responsibility. The reason why God has given you the power is to cover that person. So when you go there, you overcome the witches. So if that person is afraid of going to that place because he fears witches, then what shows that you are powerful? It's not how you talk to him, but how you can support him to build at the place. That makes you a powerful man. Because Africa say we know it, but we are saying wow crime when we say we run. But so no chine obeka wo wa na ntwie onum se ni brane wo na so no chine na obepem ahwe wo. So my brother, my sister, I want to tell you, so when you speak so we are wo chine mu a South Africa we see, go and check obi a wa penya ne car no e twega tom ahye no obi in the store e twega tom ahye no. The person who is doing that thing, you have nothing to lose by your sweat. I just walk who say bola egu mi afichiri na ase amfa ho ade say na tuntum free mu a aya no ama no orders etu say we ase no bibi nkoyie ewo nua ho a me straight no etu ba bia South Africa de we ye ba no enya de a eye is a setuo no ebitwa. I want to tell you enya de a to ebitwa enti nye afiri ye be discuss say ye oman no ene eboaboa wom ns no. Yes, the leaders, the chiefs, the religion leaders, the political leaders in Africa, they have come together and see said the main problem on the ground now is certain confusion and it's any plan or watching one. And at the end of the day, a deep one is suffering will say, they can show it and they can invest. Because Obilan Chris or them or Tonwa, a bit me a be a factory with a crassy. A toothpick, who could be in a factory, how much will it cost? A baby, I want a crassy. Will be free cadet, horrible cider, so it could be oil factory. Bisa was a Tony Land Cruiser, no Tony Ring me back, a bit me a be. My dear sister, no said them to Kabisino. Obi the rich, Obi the poor. That is why we need to help each other. Na akwantu any adeno. It me kofem. Na me sre me no South Africa no. Some pam show life is so precious. We ya if you are so ni abinya. We ya if you are so ni abinya. Na adie bia you struggle to gain it no. When you are losing it, don't worry. Because you know the source, so you can beg the building back. Ain't me pam chow. So we should be doing now. We say dear, briefly, because the time we are in Ghana no, now what you said then crano didi. Now near we are those who are shrano, the biabe do be an yadie, now so by anything. Ain't me stremo, me pam chow. Because yenya at the end of the day person can say baby but yen no more ye mini wias kakan yesua ade kakan ye ministry kakan ye nim say ade we na situo it is not easy ye nim say ade we say na situo no enye easy enti me pa chaw se betimi na wo say ne ekono eni enyanya brefie na mo mayem aboa ye ho afi ni ya man mo so amutue mi no sei we hwe ye Africa ase na the way a ma yeah man is very poor. Now adding here, there is one thing and a person will be able to notice here. When you make things expensive, you let your people live a cheap life. But when you make things very cheap, you make your people live expensive life. And to me, Mr. Asofo any ade and nyanya Nyankopon pafiri ya asofo nkyɛn si ekɔkɔ gyina bonten so ne gyina hɔ ne preach here. All that God want to see from us, that everyone is working, everyone is eating, everyone is okay, because the Bible even said Jesus being rich, he became poor so that the poor can become rich. And the purpose of religion is to keep the suffering masses quiet. So if people are still suffering and people are still crying, that means the religion now you want to and shedding. My dear sister, say be away yourself for na South Africa dear ekoso and now you diffo na South Africa dear ekoso no who do you want to say you normal? I'm sorry. Say yes and the one will catch us for the didn't shame. God is not proud to see a single person send muja egufem. An innocent bride. That's when I den a yahoche. Enti me pam chow. And yes, South Africa the inko. Yen young man musu Arabia. Kona ko check. 1 o'clock no gusu gina ne nanso. Ni aye penny de no. Now who as a Christian man, a Christian brother. Na we reality Arabia. Na ebia kakra obedienti. Enti medie Ghana for me sremo asofo me nuanu asofo me pam chew me sremo e wo Nyankopon dim ebi ono mo a na obi e ka bone e fa Kristo ana say ye you something like bibi they say a common sense family I no more can we say sometimes you can bring them because ma me tifie na so obi ka bone e fa ma me ho a abofra na wo ba abonten you have created. Abofra na wo ba abonten you are the cause, because at the end of the day say yes no catch say ye no do ye ho ye mo aboa ye ho ye fa bone chiche ye ho ye pia ho ye ho ye die ana asofo ye boa ye ho ene ye dodo ye ho ene obi anko abonten so anko dan obi ene obi anko bo adwaman obi anko di atro a ehin obi betimi agina aka bone e dia fa Yesu ne ho. It is even obi company edify Yesu ho a, firstly don't blame that person, but firstly check your character and see to it that are you the cause, because otuba obi na oyeye wo maame a e wo bra maame ada the kambusa ho say bia we subanya wo de kwa abonten no e na ma abasa intimi nuano me pam chew esremo asofo we are the light of the world. Men of God, we are the light of the world. And now buying says will be a juma. It's God who creates work. It's the responsibility of the people who believe themselves that they are light to create work. Because kania any juma. Kania any juma. Into wona at the end of the day you think that you are light. It's your responsibility to create work. And until I look at the Orthodox churches, when they came to Africa here, on the CC hospitals, on the baby schools, on the baby numa, Emma nipa ye. You did destiny share yourself. What are we doing? What are we doing? Intimate pouchow. Me sira we Nyankopon dimu. Eye. Now Nyankopon Christ we wiase ye. Na se wunu ye bra na rade don eni mu. So we shouldn't rejoice that we are driving in a better car. Now we are was otonkosia. Now osan esmo enye fe. It's better for us to work together, because most leading the panel one could use horse he work with them. Intimi anu be pam chow mesremo e wo Nyankopon di mu. Nia ekoso no eya, and we can solve it. The moment we choose to love each other, the moment we as of war any adifo. We say we are the light and we are the people that are supposed to create a job for those people. My brother, this hardship will end. Mr. Remo, it muma ya mu abua ye ho. Muma ya no dododo ye ho. Afi mi nua ma no mo so amako moko ware no. Because they say that bia ware ebigu. That bia ware ebigu. Na nipa na ba na ware egudie me pam chew awarefo amohyeka wa metumufu. Enya mo ring ene ware mamo. Me pesa wo ti ase ana dwese eyi suban ene wo tekrema ene ekọ ware amawo. So don't look at the ring, check your character and your ways. Because if you're married, you will not joy, or it will establish here. It depends how you talk to your husband, and your husband also talk to you. It depends on how you subain udane die. Isan say and you nyam sani adebi amekano say and you nyam eye tekrema. And you nyam e tekrema me pamchew atade a shami bibi a show obi disua de o eyama awre wo se gan ye nim nyankopon. I'm telling you, because wo shatade ya wona mo bitumi ka say, hey, look a man of God, the way you have dressed. God is not dressed. God is character. Onyankopon yesuban. Onyankopon oyodo. Onyankopon oyayimiye. Onyankopon oyemobrohu. Onyankopon oyotema. Onyankopon oyebonifache. These are the things I will hwehwe onyankopon nipa wo hwe free ne ho. Isuban. Onyankopon onyatade. Esanso onyankopon na hinyem na tade ye hye no. If you opie ehyeranchi owia, obi ntimi fina ni hwe no. Etu pesa wo kire se woni onyankopon wa wo di suban na ko kire. Wodo awobrase, wotema, ayemiye, mobrohu no kwaredie. Nyama we ni di adanse. Two, me pamchew near South Africa esi won mum yesua de free because na me dawo di no anopa no am be preach am asaman no na me tise bibi kasa e de kire me say ya de sua kase ya de maye etima me so me nkan kire wo nia na ka jem say yenim so obi fetuo e de boni nua eye boni yenim so be father de e de woni nua. It's not right. So why do we go yakonya akopon anim na ya de ekotwitu erade e de bo metamfo po erade e de twam tamfo kim wo be kotwe dade e de twitwa le tamfo for South Africa no, you are blaming that person that what he's doing is not right. Wo tamfo onya boa wo tamfo ye wan kasa nua na ahokyere ene me basa. And if it is wrong, say a South African before that day e de Nigeria ni no be boni tuo dia, let it end here. A free na kono ye ko bompa ya kire urade a obi nkoka sa urade bo obi tuo ka kire urade sa urade dum ye wodo dum ya hobrase maye ni ye as good things from God. E tuo urade de be ma no e dia ne wuku onipa na obewe se urade mapa wanim ba wani bua mi shira me na mi nabi na me sumi muwa mi nua esanso okunafo ho awisia ho mobrowani ho adeda bonte ho entima mi si dan na mi mobrowani anadeda bonte ba bi na kansem pa kire nyankopon enti wo say uhu ade na wo kan. The Bible say when you are judging someone you also be judged. It was said that be ekwagina nya South Africa from ye de nya na wunua na afetu abono die to mo bom tuo die to mo twena de because of their future wives, because atade a ombehye, because aduane a ombedi. That is why they have rise against them. Also tell me what is the difference for you go and stand before God and rather be born to aduane a obedie wo da a cheyire watade a obehye any baby abeda the same thing. So if it is not right for them to do that, my dear brother, don't do that thing before God, because Yankopon aka kire say ni ayenye bedua no and one ye betwa. So if we sow sword, we will enjoy sword. If we sow ye di tuo ye bedua etua na baba ye so entimi pamchew momma ye no dododo ye ho ye mfa boni chichechiche ho mi nua no asofo no mi nkoto gianim esramo samo mi ya muwa ye nua no ete ya na wo dalan cruise anum na oba no so kosia one crate edidi mirika ba ka ne ho my brother kosia, how do you feel? Auto petrol enya ne open no enti anumre die because ya send ya wunua bedi enti ne aboni tu eda me hwe obi ka nam ne so ne obedi enti. So my dear sisters, my dear ministers, minuanum asofo, minuanum adifo, minuanum abamfo, minuanum so akonfo amusi mutimi yiska munyi bimra ne afan kwakurase ne afesisi factories na ye nuanum no enya baby pantena no munya bibi pa enye bisa me na sombo the magic na moayen my brother. Let's think about how magic you betimi a transform na your benefit e dey amaye na aye nuonyam e dey amaye e dey yeshirama me no mienu magic am waye ye nanam ye magic ni adne e ne kokko wie se wo say tumi na fa bra ne mfa muwa nipa na nipa eniye because onyansani bo mpa ye no wo say brade ma me ho nkyere me na manya bone amfa mu ani mu ase awo kire amu nipa koye bone o ababu abega jimisa me koye sakawa why do wajimisa me maso me koye baifuo why do wajimisa me koye okot ko check it from the base o mu nyina ho kire esan se du baabi no onyo obi emmoa no ene se okọ baabi anse so okọ na se e baboa ye ho a hwan no bekọ bone mu se e baboa ye ho a hwan e na bone ye ne fe udi se wan wajimisa me magimi tuma fetu na me de abominu ya. My dear sister, udi se yetiwe ena obi abu ani nua ya me fa ne se me sha aboa ma na me sorry am de na me ye dojomi. That is not what I like. I want you to understand. See nyina baboa ye ho ena webua we ena ye nyina ye live a happy life. I will not be wearing this. Nanso onua ye die etime pamcho me sremo areko ne akoso no ya na time, but we are the cause. We have no one to blame him. Go check Africa. Obi ba sorry no be catch us say Africa dey e go na rade de share fam and ye ntimi afa anya we ye Thailand to cry rade ba ye afa mobra. Let me tell you, Ham, Noah, Owomatre, Sham, Jeff and Ham na asefo na be ye young blacks. Onyankopon ema Jeff no philosophy and science and the chichiri Europe. Onyankopon ema Sham religion and the chichiri Asia. And na ye maye art and building. Already you go so tetem. Ham asefo ye maye art and building. Me bo akọ check the story, the base story of Egypt. No ye be any dance any art. Art teacher say reduce the great. Ba akọ dan ya ye tetem. Oko Europe na nyo mani onyam ne dan o. O mani onyam eye philosophy and science. Oko Asia enyo mani onyam ene dan. O mani onyam eye religion. So China, India, Arabia, Israel, o mani onyam ye. Yen Africa ye ni onyam eye building. Enu nti kra Pharaoh mu see pyramid. Ye ni onyam ye building and art. Baba we dan ye titim. Even common talent God give to us get me use. The land we couldn't make good use of it. The talent he gave to us, we couldn't make good use of it. My dear brother, why? Why? Because ye suro ye ho dodo. Obia suro ne ho because ye moa ye ho. Adofo. Enumre ni amepese nyina ate ase. Se moma ye moa boa ye ho. Se ye pese ye come out of cheap life moma joint ni ade. Let's yes place is nice. Maybe ice cream. Abai you ade be ma na mo a odu ase a joint we obetimi adwuma to ice cream. Na Ghana wutimi di oba ekotena ba bi keke na oto ice cream 3 cedis mana. Ohun hu se ne awaya man no. She is in heaven into wutimi ne kokoda. Because we so cheap life. Etimi me create joint. Bia wonam na ba bia no nu aduro no say ha cramp na ha ni ice cream nya hwe chicken ya hwe they will not live that cheap life. So my dear sister, my dear brother, we make things expensive to make our people cheap. And we make things to be so cheap so that our people can live expensive life. Because baby, I don't know to me to ice cream dear. We'll be for bank or ice cream corner. Then to and now for common 3 cities. The pump chow. Miss Ramo. Because any guassier, yes, yes, she go to Shantadier, but any guassier. We shall got a dawa no more. Maybe a move fee, our Ghana say ya. He says at the end of the day, we know God. And the spirit ne free nyanko pon ba ye no. Spirit ne free nyanko pon chen. E ba na e ba betra ye mu no. My dear sister, me say ba kai obi so be ka say papa wa ta ade e hyew. Evaporation eni mata ade wate e wo gotem. E na pesa wo ti ase. Enti me serew me pa wo chew. E wo nyanko pon di mu. Mo maye mo aboa ye ho. Si esi akọ school dia ba bia ye bedu bia ye ma school na ye kwai no and bear witness of us and bear witness we say and no arofo and no me rawo pa I tell you because me na Facebook na me share sanya ye nuanomo ye twu obi dade ye dibu obi tuo na moja egua na mekra rawo. I just ask myself, say adintia aha gold, there is silver ha, diamond bibia wa South African so be aden na yeko because obuafo eniho obia ye nyina ye selfish says ban ye nyaya emwaye if in Ghana ye bon pa ye kura wudnim se banku she fridge now say nyina erade obekome di pape obekome usunim se banku she fridge either bia na ye declare laziness e wonyankopon anim instead of you to tell God erade me da say me yes ye ni na wa ma me nsanya bie into okurafo ba mi a omra be didi dabi wo pakila cruiser aye banku ni nkuruma edina magugu ase akudina erade ekom de oba o pape zanibra o ene unsunim tewrade ase. I want us to say thank you by was papa o boniu what him say wonye lazy a edo mensu a akokire because onyakopo mo ate ase say ensiyefo de sabe mo manyom ho. Only lazy people should cry all the time. A hard-working man, all that you need to do is to praise God and glorify God. That is David. It's no hard-working. Inti danya chomna ye yen. Ewo Africa and Ghana ye nyai na emwa yen. Mesramu ena monsu ade akye a obetna wa table top fridge. Ewo second hand. Ukra formula wa benya biato. Na watimi atra wa da mu mami bewu na na kwhye fridge 20 million 30 million na wanya table top fridge e won corner na school na wo kwai ni busa ho say school na ye koye no nyansa be ni wom because the living is more important than the dead and it's the living that deserve your honor, mister. It's not the dead. It went to me a won na wo mame na wantimi a na papa na o papa no owua na akoye saade na I'm sorry okwa yeye ebia unim. I'm telling you, and yet what the people are saying before you but what they can say about behind you, your testimony etimi pamcho mesramo si ebetimi adwen atiasefo ho a nyankopon so bedwen ye ho Africa, because God is a living God. God is not a dead God. So the very day we started say yen, so no, we will start thinking about the living and honor the living. God will also honor us, bless us, and let us enjoy the good things that you have hidden from us. My dear sister, my dear brother, because a year bra and you be we are the cause. Yen and Yama Abasa. And you don't have the right to blame anyone. So we could be bim. Because nipa biya niya will go through is your character. wan takremede wanu ene usuban ene de uko bibia uko enti se nsuo be yi fa yen e wo circle don't go and bring witches na nya ba ifo na be to pure water rubber any toilet wo rubber egu goten yen ankasa enti ye suban ene ma yen every challenges that we are going through enti yesi ye hu Nyankopon na se ho kronkron na awrade de mind if the paradise and we walk upon God. My dear sister, we have to let it be seen. Isan say duana ba ene be kire na duane ye na Nyankopon so se ne ewo umuo ene onipa edadi nia ewo umuo ene onipa edadi ne ewo umuo enti ubegina ye begina ga ne edim Nyankopon na se yete sadia na no na ebe witness of us so ne ewo yimu. Enti my dear sister, my dear brother, share South Africa we say no na ntra wona enkasa bebre we awrade ene obi ba o no unsu nua na senia awrade ri hira ye no ye chiche ma ye ho a akemasa so because you to you Kenya ade na ye adwuma eya nwa wase Ghana ni akotena brochi na wo koye adwuma 1 hour wages ya amount 10 pounds 15 pounds na wo be bedru Ghana na Ghana na ye ne bedru ye no ye de brochi ye nko bi o ba mo amko na mo be ka kire ye na you are feeding your dogs better than your workers na onipa woni ne ye adwuma upon ya common room onya no makoda kiosk na anopa omasian ba no masian be park niema kaya yufuo na da be no behind that na ye oh my onuadofo esrem mumma ye no dododo ye ho mumma ye no dododo ye ho mumma ye no dododo ye ho esanse eya enti petrai now busa ho de me pacho busa ho where we do be adwuma na at the end of the day awrade ahira wo wesi wo dan wato wo car wo wo Land Cruiser wo wo dan ya wo dam ni nyina achi utua ni panika ebia 2 million busa wo say ahe and odi behind dan ahe no di tua light bill ahe and odi beto pint any part escafon mo nye careful first na me nim ne ntia Yesu Kristo aya no bie na no a no odi akase mo yachre ba minyi ye no ena matiase because it's so painful ya se kaya yo ebi okunafo ba ebi oye wisian ba oye mobro wani ba we go school you know we study the covers to cover each other. The reason why we study books is to cover one another, not to say e be di ni paso and ye be she ni paso na emum se e betumi dey cover each other. Nakaya yo what me the idea swano from Katamanto to Rollins Park. Now saying hey pass here na polythene bag keke that Chelsea is so some man warning so we nim na de ketwa na da so no ye ketwa de na wonyin kura no onipa nua na odo na ye wate ye ketwa aden na wonyin kura no because God, the reason why God created us is to help one another. Because catch Adam, so Adam ma bo boafo. Mum ye hwese ne ye ye. Mum ye hwese ne ye. Yesi enim Nyankopon wonye shu. Nyankopon na me pese Ghana ani nyina ti ase. Se Nyankopon ya tade, Nyankopon ya mpaboa, Nyankopon ya dan. So don't look at those things. Never nche obi Nyankopon. Nyankopon your do, Nyankopon ya obrase. Nyankopon yo buo, Nyankopon yo tema, Nyankopon ya yemye, Nyankopon ye mobrohum. Hwese ne awrade Nyankopon otonsuo. Okoye boni o, wanya boni o, oye busunsun ni o, oye kramoni o, oye hwanye o, otonsuo anu am obia bi. Because so no boy yen. Sa na esi ensuo hu se moja ewo memu no. Ebia ne wo hu. Enti wuni pa no, hwese wunu anani afira. Enwese wunu ano na tade atete ntuba twu ho afiri no dabi na etwasa wo dwen se mocha na ewo memu no ebia ne wo nimu enti senani afira mani beye den ahwe bia ma no so aye bubu ani a me number ye den ananti bi amano my dear sister my dear brother me papa show be sremo e wa urade nyankopon di mu me di nyina e ba wiye asem nyina wiye ye ne se enye obi ene de ye kwamane mu yen ya kasa se e ba dodo ye ho ne e be yi hu e de afiri mu a Africa ye be ko yanim sabatan yen mu be hu se me boa me ye boa ye ma ne ye ma so aboa ye ma enti I have to invest me boa me ba no na me invest for me old age so that at my old age my investment will solve my problem Ewurade ebe me yesu yakoyanim me pam chaw sremo tamase Ewurade enhyiramo Ewurade enhyiramo Ewurade enhyiramo to be our send afro person obusame no pa chaw betimi ebusa
Mami can comment kakabi ma Techi Frederick say wonderful presentation. Wahab Sam say Sheikh Wahab Sam say wow. Nana Osei Poku says live from Qatar. Echo Menu says you are saying the truth. Well done. Evans Enim Bwedi says I was almost late. You are not late. Next time come early. Like the page and get notification on SVT. Michael Baker says Africa unite. It has been said already. Let it be done. Give thanks and praises. That's Michael Baker. Charles Jamina says nice one. Ahmed Farah says Ahmed watching you live from Hamburg, Germany. I think they got 4 teachings in here. Justice Osei says well talk. Mystic Cook well talk. Inti bibi abet me aka cho one be twatwa bet me aka cho say Mondays Wednesdays Fridays enyumre bia Mystic Cook beba from hours of 6 to 7 Mystic Cook beba say Mondays Wednesdays Fridays iti so what question bia na wo bibi obebisa bia na utimi sene ye de na ma na beto screen so wo bibia o pesa obisa na WhatsApp o bibia o pesa o discuss bia o pesa obisa na bia na de na ma na beto screen so ti obi twa so ti ba cho bibia o pesa obisa na bibia de se won ti ase no be ba cho betumi e de aba na mesu no bebua be ba cho bibia o pesa obisa bia no obetumi e de aba no aba bisa na nya pesa ye nyina so ye born to a ne nyina ate ase ne say the only way to move forward and they see a pass each other. Life is like the football game. Mo pass mo ho a and am di komonim. Won ku a ugina so de bekọ a obese atia so no ahwe no. Etimi pam chew sremo. Mo mayam aboa ye ho. Sika ye de besie no emfa so emre ye. Let's invest the little that we have. Na emma ipa adwuma enye. Because as say nyina wa Africa no, we all know that we are one people. Ye when ye kala can say we are all one people. Ne momunu ni enti aye sorry enti aye wono esan so oboafo enna enti me pam chew ya mesramo enyina anwumre se menuanum asofo menuanum adifo we are the light yes ye ne kanea no na kanea nso ani onyam ani adwuma enti awie pia obi akwadwuma kanea ani onyam ne adwuma enti si ekase ye nkanea ne ya ma ani adwuma ye na safo me ni adwuma ye na just ye dada ye kra because every light piano e wadwuma ye enti si ye ye kanea dia se ye no kore se ye kanea dia ye ma enuma e na eni ye ho adanse because nyankopon kra me ate ase se ensa eni adwuma ye no ekowie bonim dabi on ma yitimika ye hwe ma ye bi o ma hye nails atinte ne eyelashes na bia kuprichia na wo hye my dear ko check say e maahe na eye adwuma omwo adwuma no omwo ye no na anopa no omkwa no omtrase hye yansa any eyelashes e bia no da wo kwa adwuma Saturday bi anas we bi okọ program entu adwuma ye kra niam bi wo a wonye entu me pam chew si e pese boni to twade a enu ade betwa boni sto onyankopon aheniem eye ne onipa ose awokyere ni wo ekom ni wo areho ni wo nisuo ni wo enti ehonso no boni ni wo
itina kyerɛ so nipa we mu ɛna de bɔne ba enti pam kyɛw me nuanom adifoɔ me nuanom asɔfoɔ aban animu amutua mu nyinaa ya me pɛsɛ nyinaa te ase ne sɛ sa wo kyerɛ ni hɔ ɛkɔm ni hɔ awerɛhoɔ ni hɔ na yawdie ni hɔ a bɔne nso eni hɔ enti sɛ pɛsɛ yɛtimi sɔ bɔne ano a this is the solution yɛn yi a wo kyerɛ mfiri hɔ yɛn yi ɛkɔm mfiri hɔ yɛn yi awerɛhoɔ mfiri hɔ yɛn yi yawdie mfiri hɔ bɔne nyinaa ɛto betwa thank you.
The Mystic Cook, as I said, or joining every day, or joining live SVTV Africa. I better was a far Mystic Cook. It's more comments to buy, so the Masepa, Monkoswana, Mon supporting SVTV Africa. Mystic Cook, I better was.
Miss Medas, Radin Shram.